Members' reports. If they could be circulated and given to Shani, I think. If anyone's got any members' report, anyone want to have any verbal reports? Councillor Park?
Just one thing I'd like to mention is I'd really like to congratulate the Taupo Greenstone Entertainment. The Taupo Summer Concert this year was absolutely outstanding. Year on year, they just, the infrastructure and the facilities available and the levels of service grow and grow and grow. And we hope, like you yourself hosted the Deputy Prime Minister, and we also had some big chiefs from Air New Zealand and etc. there, and I think it was a wonderful opportunity to be able to go again, and it's great to be amongst so many people who have got such great big ideas and want to do so much for the district. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
It was.
Thank you.
Very much so.
Do you mind noting all that? Because the promoters do appreciate that sort of feedback, because as you know, logistically there's a lot of work goes into that.
I made a point of actually speaking to them personally and thanking them for the invitation.
And it was really great to get them to actually have that one-on-one conversation with Air New Zealand, because they do have, they bring in international artists who they've had some issues at customs and had some issues with different things, and so it's been just that one-on-one conversation has probably saved both parties a lot of money. Probably next year it could probably be about 5 degrees cooler, but apart from that, it was perfect.
Tell me about it. Yeah. Very good. Thank you, Councillor Park. Anyone else?
Just on
Councillor Cousins?
throwing out there, a couple of things happened in the Turangi area. One was the Turangi-Tongariro feasibility study. I was talking to Tong and you about it, David, earlier on. Just a couple of little hitches, but certainly we haven't lost focus and we're moving forward positively with that. The Westerveld honey extraction plant, Tong, I forgot to mention this last night at our business after 5. They are going through council approval at the moment to get the extraction plant underway. Some hitches there, Gareth, or relatively straightforward? Yeah. And I got a phone call this morning from Tesla in Australia wanting to look at Turangi as a charging station for electric cars.
Tesla employed a Taupo boy as their main salesperson, yeah. Sure. So Zach Aldridge has got the job, yeah, so which is awesome.
Mark's son.
Yeah, Mark's stepson. Lisa's son, yeah.
Oh, cool.
Although you can't buy them, can you, at the moment? You've got about a 4-year waiting list or something.
I don't know. About
Something like that.
Through the chair.
Sorry, John.
On the 11th of February, I went to a hui at the nuclear marae with the Rahoto Land Rights group regarding freedom camping. Just with Rowan Sapsford and Jane Budge were there just to explain. We went through the whole plan, particularly regarding Reed's Farm. It was things like name changes and potential name changes, etc. Just the whole process. That was well received.
Thank you, John. Very good. Okay, if there's any written reports, if we could forward them up to Shani here, be good. Okay, recommendation reports will be received. Moved by Councillor Kigi, seconded by Councillor Hickling. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against? Carried. That's that part of the agenda. Now we move into confidence. I'm worried about the broadcast.
No.
Got to do in here. So if I could have a mover to move into confidence, Councillor Park, thank you. Seconded, Councillor Rankin.